H1-702 is amazing, man. We're on top of this super rad hotel in Vegas, and it's nothing but intelligent people around you, beautiful scenery.
The H1-702 event is what America is all about. It's big, it's crazy, it's wild.
Wow. Being around these incredible ethical hackers, their innovative spirit, how they look at our network provides something unique that we would not come close to duplicating. It's really impressive.
It's a great place where hackers and business can meet each other.
For the H1-702 event, we've opened up the scope for what we do in our bug bounty programs. And it's been really exciting and surprising to see just the breadth of vulnerabilities that are being found tonight.
The guys that are here are fun, they're interactive, they're cool, they're doing crazy stuff. The reason that we chose HackerOne actually is because we really enjoyed the human element. This is an impressive event, impressive coordination and organization from the HackerOne team, and it's beautiful.
I see so many people trying to give a hand to one another. You know that the people are here, they are really good. They're probably the best hackers in the world. You have people around you that can contribute to your knowledge. The end result is a chain of vulnerabilities that turn into a super exploit.
Amazing collaborations across hackers, the willingness to share the love, because someday you're going to get it returned back to you. That's one of the most amazing things about these live events, and H1-702 does that better than any other.